If you had been looking a perfect case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, then this particular video is for you, because in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the GiftKart Ultra Hybrid Case, which is available for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and we got this from Amazon for a discounted rate. So check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And as you can see, all the cutouts, the ports and the buttons, etc. are extremely precise. And this is a beautiful, gorgeous hazel color for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if you're getting the 9 Pro XL, please get the hazel one. And as you can see, the rails, etc. are shiny, shimmery. So let me just snap this particular case on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and show you how it looks. And my first impression is like this is the best looking case for this particular phone. Let me just remove this plastic and just show it to you. And by the way, guys, I'm honestly telling you, I'd been using the previous Caseology case with my 9 Pro XL, and I'd been very happy with it until I got this particular case, because not only it just shows you a color that is a true hazel color for the 9 Pro XL, but it also provides some protection for the camera, because if you see other cases, they are not providing this except for that matte black one. And you all can check out the link in the description to get this from Amazon. And if you see the button, clickable, and it is very much tactile. And this is the previous case by Caseology which I was using, and my only complaint was that visor was not getting protected, but that issue is being sorted by the GiftKart Ultra Hybrid case, and which looks very similar to the Spigen one. Also, I'll be doing review of that too, so stay tuned. So, and let me just show you how it feels, because the Caseology was a bit slightly bulky, guys, and it is having these grippy textures at the side, which makes it very comfortable to holding it. But then also the gift card case is comfortable as well. And let me just show you to you. So in my honest opinion, I'll be switching to the gift card Ultra Hybrid case till now, and after 3 weeks or so, or maybe after a month, I'm going to show you whether it is getting discolored or not. So stay tuned. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.